Okay, describe Roxy in one word. Friendly.
Friendly.
And then number 2, best thing you notice about her. She's caring.
Huh?
Eh?
Just.
Game.
Yes, caring.
Birthday message.
Birthday message, of course. Aside daw sa pagiging pagpapapayat.
Hala.
Anong message ko? Speechless, walang masabi.
Ako na lang muna. Happy birthday. So, God bless you and always pray.
Ate Roxy, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And sana makita mo na yung Prince Charming mo. Just lang.
Yay!
Yay!
Bye!
Bye!